Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover a TikTok account without email or phone number. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you have lost access to your TikTok's account and don't have access to your email or phone number, you can still recover it by one way. So you can simply open your TikTok, and once you have done this, go in your login button. Now, as you don't have anything, you can report a problem and tap on recover your account. After tapping on recover your account, you can simply type in your username or email you want to look up to. So if you cannot find this, you can simply scroll down and tap on need help. After doing this, you will be redirected to the help center, and now you need to type the support, like the TikTok support team, about how you don't have any credentials and you want to recover your TikTok account. After doing this, you can simply recover it without having an email address or phone number. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.